Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this is my subject today and I want to try watercolor image from this image. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna move this layer in between these two, and I have the line image here. I may not use later, but I might use this later. Now I'm gonna take this one off, then paint it on this layer. Now I'm gonna go for, well, this shot. I usually start from skin tones first, but this time I will go for maybe a background. Well, with the, let's see, turn on this and I see some outlines of this background. So, okay, I'm gonna add this. This is first time to try. Change the blend mode, normal to darken, and I'm gonna tone down this base image. And well, let's see. This is a nice texture of the wall. I'm gonna use that kind of bluish. So this is background, and I'm gonna choose first of all watercolor, round detail to make edge first. Go from here. On this one more down, so I see some the lines. Well, okay, I'm going to change to watercolor wash flat. And I'm going to change the brush, watercolor wash soft. I may add some warm tone later. Okay, leave it this way, and I'm going to change to round detail. Then I'm going to some touch up here, a little bit, just water. Okay, now go this window or yeah, window. Okay, this one is okay. Now just touch light color. Okay, now I go with some window. Let's make a light color here. Yeah, I kind of like it. This is, I'm gonna give it more yellowish. Okay, I'm gonna add some window still. I'm gonna add another layer. I'm gonna add different dark shadow side later. And more right here. We have some texture here. I wanna put some texture here too. Okay, change the brush, wash soft, pretty small. Okay, I'm gonna draw some plant here. Right side of the greens. And now a little more dark. Okay, dry. This is kind of bluer. Okay, now a little more brown. Let's see, turn this one down. Okay, add some this pot. Touch more reddish. Then more darker bottom. Pretty much dark here. Okay, now I go for model now. Okay, skin tone now. So light color first. Use the wash flat. Well, I forgot to start the camera again. Well, that's okay. I'm gonna continue from here. Let's start it. Some shadow side of the finger. Use little round detail. And it's from here. This is shadow area. Let's see, turn this one on off. Let's see, oh. We have here two kind of shadow areas, so I'm gonna blend into blue watercolor again with this a little bit thin blue watercolor. Okay, I'm gonna add some more yellow here. Touch. I'm gonna draw that line here, a little bit dark, and then add this. Okay, now some kind of greens from here, huh? Okay, now this is her skin tones and stuff. Oh, I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna finish up here. Real light skin tones. This is shirt. Add some green here. Plants. Is it dried? I'm gonna dry it. Then choose this dark green. Oh, I'm gonna add layer, then wash down. Because it's gonna blend in. Okay, wash down. Then I add another layer, then again I'm gonna put more yellowish, green, then touch brown. Then wash down. Okay, I go over now pants. Yeah, light gray. Dark shadow too. Oh, this is a shadow here. Okay, pants is here. So about this color. Then I'm gonna add this layer. Touch bluer. Let's see. I'm gonna just add water here. Again, I go a little bit big here. This is her pants and the little dark side. Okay, these shadows are the same kind of shadow, so I'm gonna add this shadow. First of all, I'm gonna wash down on this, then I'm gonna add layer for these shadows. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna add layer, then okay, now these shadows. Should turn in blue. Then still was, that's okay. I want some this kind of blue on here more. Then maybe that's a good idea to use the eraser tool. Well, a little bit touch up. There we go. Well, there is the shadows too. Okay, I'm gonna add on this. Well, I'm gonna add another layer. Then add shadow here, bluer. Okay, I'm gonna merge down. Okay, I'm gonna create empty mask, then see how much I can combine together to base image. Now, create empty mask and invert mask. Now, review with this is I'm making using a Monet mixer, rough pastel look. This has more texture in it, but I want to go more subtle. So maybe I should use change brush to basic and source ground opacity, real subtle, smoothing. How much is it gonna show? Oh, there is there is some. And also I'm gonna, now before I forgot, I got tone down here. Lighten up. Then I'm gonna again reveal this. Okay, again, hide, soft round opacity. This texture is too dark. Okay, this much. This is enough. Now, reveal. Add some more blue. How's it now? Okay, eraser tool. Then just tone down. Yeah. Then also I'm gonna tone this one down. I guess I could that. Well, I think that's it for today. Just kind of soft image. This is it for today, and thank you for watching my video. And you guys have a nice day. And I really appreciate for you guys' support. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.